Okay, so this is my last video. uh, just something happened I want to share with you. The motor I installed, when I turn it to the heat it blowing cold, when I turn it to the cold it blowing heat, because there is a negative and positive. So I flipped it and now it's working. I'm gonna show you now. I put everything back, and so now I'm on a AC cold, and I'm gonna turn it to the heat. Now you will see it's moving. Before it was not moving, so when you're trying to check if it's your car, this is the problem in your car, so you gotta check this out. If this one not moving, so this is gonna be your problem. Now it's cold. Everything works fine now. Again, thanks for watching. Sorry I did a lot of videos. I just want to make sure that you seen everything. Please, like I said, subscribe and like and share my video. Comment below if you want to ask me any question. I will answer right away. Thanks.